Vikan's ultra-hygienic handles are important tools in the fight against cross-contamination when used on a broom, deck scrub or squeegee for cleaning in hygiene-sensitive areas. But they are also important when you are using them on a direct food contact product such as a pipe brush, a scraper or a mixer. 5 years ago, Vikan launched 3 ultra-hygienic handles in a 1300, a 1500 and a 1700 millimeter length. But now we are happy to inform you that we are adding 2 more lengths based on information or requests from our customers. The first we are adding is a 650 millimeter long handle. It has a smooth, matte finish that is cleaner friendly. It has vertical ridges that gives a good grip when you are using it with greasy hands. It has an open hanging hole that is easy to clean, and it's equipped with a thread that fits all Vikan threaded products. But we are also adding another new version, which is a 1000 millimeter long handle. So now the family consists of 5 ultra-hygienic handles, and they are all made from FDA and EU compliant raw materials